Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you download or export your customer list from Stripe? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export your customer list from Stripe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers. So maybe you want to download or export your customer list and upload it into your email platform. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to export or download your customer list, here on the left side, you're going to click on customers. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of your customers. And in order to export your customer list, click right here on export. It's up here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you get to choose the time period of the customers. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on all. You can also choose customers from the last 4 weeks, the last 7 days, the current month. Also, you can choose what type of information is going to be exported. I'm going to leave it at default, but you can choose all columns or you can do custom columns. And then you're going to click on this purple export button. Okay, quick second later, the spreadsheet opens up. So now you can see all the data that we downloaded from our Stripe account, including our customer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to export or download your customer list from your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.